What is going on, guys? Today we're gonna be doing the LED swap to the G37. Kind of sucks that it didn't come with LEDs already, but you know, since it's a luxury car, but I guess it kind of makes sense at the same time because it's a little older car. But yeah, so today that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be doing these two right here, these two right here, this one over here, and then the ones at the door, kind of like the, what is it called, puddle lights, I think. And then this one right here in the back. And then instead of my trunk, I'm gonna be doing my license plate. I personally think that it'll look better in the license plate than it will in the trunk. I don't go too much to the trunk at night, so I think it'll be fine. If not, I'll just order more on Amazon or eBay. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna show you how to install the lights, and yeah. So there is one clip that you just kind of take off right here. Like, it kind of just hangs like this. You just pop it off, then it kind of gets stuck there. You just pop this off, and then you just pull the OEM lights. Yep, like that, and then that's it. You just swap in the LED light, and then you do that to the other side, and yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. So I got one in. With these LED lights, you have to, hold on, let me just zoom out. So you have to put this side in like this. It goes like this, and then you just kind of push this back into the place where it was, and then it works perfectly fine. I know this isn't the best shot because of the lights, but you could just kind of see. Look, I'm gonna do it so you guys could tell the difference. So this is what it looks like, and then when you turn this one off and then turn this one on, it lights up like almost the whole car, in my opinion. But yeah, that's that. I have to do the other ones. I have to do this one still. I haven't done it, but I'm gonna do that real quick, see if I can do it on the camera with you guys here. So you just pop this out. Don't be scared to break it. That's how I used to be. I don't know if you guys are scared. Just be careful with it. Don't be like super rough. But yeah, ooh, that is hot. Just pull it out. Make sure it's pointed this way. Kind of pop this into place sideways. That. Then you got this, and then when you see this like little lump right here, you put it right here. Just bam, and then there you go. Lights up the whole car almost. Yep. So with this one, you have it like this, and then hold on. You grab it like this, you put it right here, and it just pops out. And then it's the same thing as the dome lights, you just pull this out. God damn, I always have a struggle with this one. So, hold on, let me get this light out over here. So you just pull it out like the last one, and then you kind of just put this in place. Hold on, give me a second. There you go. You grab this. Oops, the light. You grab this, and I think this side doesn't really matter how you push it, you just kind of, and then yeah, it just works like that. Very simple and easy. With this one, you do the same thing you did as the last one. You just wedge that in there, pop it out, pull this light pole out, that. Grab the LED one. Kind of difficult to do. There you go. It in, pop this back in, like that. So this one you just pop this little thing out again like the last one. Take out this LED, take out the regular yellow bulb, replace the LED bulb, and then put this back into place. And yes, literally quite exactly the same thing as the last one, but yeah. Now I just have to do the ones at the door, and then the license plate ones, which I'll show you guys how to do. And then I'm not too sure, but I think these might be different bulbs. Yeah, I'm not too sure though. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to take this one out, but I'm not too sure if I can replace this one. But yeah, I'll show you guys how to do the door one, the license plate, and then if this one doesn't work right here, I'm gonna do the trunk one. But yeah, all right. So I ended up taking this one off, but it is. Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can. Let me turn off these lights so you guys can see what type of bulb it is, if you can. I'm not sure how to quite, but it's a very skinny bulb. It is, I guess I need this now. It is a very complete different bulb than the other one, which is kind of unfortunate. I was hoping to do that one, but it's whatever. I'll just end up showing you guys how to change these lights right here, and then the trunk ones, and yeah. So, hold on, let's see if I can get this with you guys. Yeah, you just pop it out like I just did. I found it better from this side to just pop it out. There's a cable back here, so just be careful. I'm not sure. But anyways, so here's a better look at it. So here's a cable, just be careful. Don't tug on it too hard. You just unplug this cable, which I'll do right here now for you guys right here. Just pull this down, like a little tab. Let's see if I can show you guys. There's a little tab right here. You see it? Just pull it down. Hold on, let me do it. Pull it out, and then you just lift with this. And then, oh shoot, that's right as hell. And then you, there's like 4 clips. I don't know if you guys can see them. There's one right here, and then the other one on the other side. You pop that out, you take this clear thing off, pull the bulb off, replace it with the LED one, and yeah. So there's these 4 clips right here. Like I said, you just take it off, this thing comes off, you pull the LED light like that, simple as that. Or I'm sorry, you pull the yellow light, you grab LED light, and then put it back in. You put this back in, and then plug it back into the cable that's on the door, and then you put it back in the hole, and then yeah, that's it. So you grab this, plug it back to where it was. We do it for plug it back in like that. You just push it back in, and there you go. Let me turn this off so you guys can see. lights up the floor, in my opinion, so much more than the yellow ones. Here, let me show you guys a comparison with the other one because I haven't done it yet. But here it is. And then you come to the other side. Come to the other side and look. Well, I guess you can't really see because I have a street light up there, but you kind of get the idea. Now I just got to do this side, and then the trunk, and then the license plate, and that's it. So you take it off. I found it, like I said, a lot easier. Kind of this corner of this door, pop this off, unplug it. These 4 little tabs right here. You take that off, take off the clear part, and then that's it. With this one, there's like this clip right here. You just push the clip, pull this little thing out, pull out the LED, pull out the what's it called? Pull out the light bulb, grab LED, and then just place it back in. I'm gonna show you guys right now if I can take out this LED. Yeah, you see? Just like that. Alright, so all you do with this one is it's like this almost. You just grab a flat screwdriver or things to take out the interior. You push it in here, you screw it out, like not screw it out, you just push it out and it'll come out. And with this, there's this like, let's see if I can show you. There's this plug right here. You spin it out like this. Hold on, let me see if I can. Let's see if I can show you guys. There's almost like little to no play, but you just spin it out and then unplug it and then change the bulb. Be careful though, because I did end up breaking this one, which I don't think is the biggest deal, but yeah, it kind of does suck though. But yeah, just spin this out, unplug it, and then yeah. So all you do is you grab this, make sure these little tabs line up with this. In other words, this part that comes into here, just flip it clockwise and then push in the excess cable that you pulled, and then just pop it into place. Oops, you guys fell. And you can pop it into place like that. This one's broken, but yeah. So now they're in. Let me show you guys so you can see. This one's broken, sadly. This one isn't. Just pop it back into place, like I said. But anyways, let me show you guys how what it'll look like now. That's what it looks like over there. Let me open the trunk for you guys. That's what it looks like in the trunk. Sorry about the mess. And then I'm gonna turn it on for you guys. That's what it looks like from the outside. Let me open this real quick so you guys can see it. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So I finished up with all the interior lights. I did the LED swap, and then I recently got a Z1 Y pipe. I installed that. I'm sorry I didn't film that. It was very like annoying to do because it was really rusted down there, so we stripped many bolts and I completely forgot, and then I did also recently get 35% tint. Forgot to film that as well, but I will show that in the next video. I'll show what it looks like from the inside. I'll show what it looks like in the outside, and then I'll show what it looks like at night. And then kind of just give you guys a review, like on how it looks while you're driving at night. And yeah. Sorry for the lack of upload. I haven't uploaded in like 2 weeks, I think now. But yeah, I will be uploading more constantly again. I've just been really busy with school. And then I should be coming out with another video soon. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you can, please like and comment and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.